How to make a loan payment to Discover Bank online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you got a Discover loan to pay off, well here is how to make a payment online from your desktop. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Discover Bank. And now here from the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Discover Bank. Now here you simply have to log in using your credentials and once logged in from the account dashboard, you can just click on the loan account to view payment option. And there you have to select make a payment and then choose if you'd like a one-time payment or set up recurring payments. So there you have to enter amount, pick the payment date and select which bank account you are paying from. And once you're done with it, you need to double check your details and then click submit or confirm to finalize the payment. And after that, you'll see a confirmation screen and the payment will show up in your account history. And that's it. That's how you can make a loan payment to Discover Bank. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.